Hi guys, this is how it happened. Today I'll be showing us how to use the AI and also some reference, the Google Scholar reference system to generate citations and a writing that will have in-text citation. I am sure you understand what I mean as soon as I go on. So let's take for instance that I have a project work. I'm going to open the ChatGPT now. I have a project work titled let's say write chapter 1. You can repeat this for all chapter on this topic. Write chapter 1 on this topic, evaluating the impact of value-based care on patient safety and outcomes in the healthcare setting. So let's assume you have this. So now the AI will begin to write what you need for you, and after generating this, you have all this, but you notice that your writing do not have reference, and for every research work there must always be a reference. So this is a simple way to do it, and I'll be showing you in this video. So now while this is still loading, I will just open my Word. I'll open my Word document so that we can start up something. So I have this in my Word, and when I open the Word, I will also open what we call Google Scholar. Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is actually a site. You click on Google Scholar. It's a site where you can generate reference for your research work. So for instance, this is my project topic. So I'll copy this topic. I'll copy this exact text and bring it directly to Google Scholar so that it can bring all the work that are related to that my topic. Look at it. When I bring it there, I click OK. I click search. Then it brings lists for me. So in this case, I don't really want to be reading all the text. What I just needed was their citation. So you come to this place where you have the site. You click. Once you click on site, you see different citation style. Here, in this case, I'll be using Upper. Just click on this one. Then you copy, right click and copy it. Go to your Word file that you have opened. So for instance, in your Word file, you might type chapter 1, but under it, you create a space and you call reference. So what you have copied, you paste it. You go back to that same page, you close this. I will do 10. You click cite, then you copy it. And while you are doing this, you can just be arranging them alphabetically. So D should come before Z. So I go back to the third one, I click on cite, I copy, C should come before all of them. So that's how you continue to repeat. You repeat the process. I will repeat it there for you. So you repeat the process until you have enough reference. In some cases, the number of words that you are writing will determine the number of reference that you will use. For instance, if you are writing like 5,000 words, you can decide to use 50 reference. If you're writing 2,000 words, you use 20 reference. So it's like, what that means is that you will use 10% of the entire word count. So that's for project or research work that are based outside the country. I don't think Nigerian kind of project used to do that calculation, but at least, so in this case now, I have some of this reference. I think I'm ready. I don't want to just waste time. So okay. So after I will stop that soon. So you click on site, go to your APA, then you paste. So let's assume that these are the reference I want to use. So let me just stop at this. So what I will now do is that, already the ChatGPT has generated the chapter 1 for me, but I want it to have those in-text citation. So then I will now come back to this same page. If you like, you can copy this whole stuff copy this old stuff and say okay. Then you come back to your reference page, you copy all this reference. Then you say okay, you copy it and you go back, and here you type use this references as in-text citation where suitable, and rewrite the chapter 1. So then you paste all those references there, then you hit enter. So now you'll see what will happen now. It's going to rewrite it, but while writing it, you'll now be seeing the names of the people that you have cited. You start seeing that, you see. So it's going to be putting the name of those references based on their title, based on the things that they have done. Do you understand? So that the advantage of this is that you wouldn't have to be reading all the journals all over and over again before you are able to achieve your research work. So that's the case that we have there. So once it is done, you can always copy here. You go to your Word file, then you have it pasted there. So you can always do the editing, and your chapter 1 is ready for submission. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel and also share it to other students that might be writing a project or might need to write it. So